Hello students, this is Suraj Misra from Vigyan Pathshala. In the last lecture, I had discussed about the relay switches and the circuit diagram of relay switches. In this video session, I am going to describe the introduction to power bank, the types of the power bank, material required for homemade power bank, voltage regulator IC, and heats descriptions, significance of heat sink, and finally the circuit and step of homemade power bank. So here is our first slide. What is power bank? Power bank is not a just simple battery or external battery. It is a portable batteries that can use circuitry to control any power in and power out. As we know, it is used to charge mobile gadgets, so they can charge up using USB charger when power is available. Mainly there are three types of power bank. The first is standard power bank, second is solar power bank, and the last is wireless power bank. So here is the first type of power bank, that is standard power bank. These type of power bank are normally charged from a standard USB charger. There is some indication on power bank as to its state of charge. Typically, a micro USB connector is used as a power. Now move towards the next slide. The next type, this is solar power bank. Solar power bank, like in solar panel, it have also a photovoltaic cell. These are really only able to trickle charge the internal battery when placed in sunlight. The condition should be very shiny and bright. This is the figure of solar panel, solar power bank. So this is the third type of wireless power bank. It's my favorite type. So it is possible to obtain power banks that are themselves charged from a standard USB source, but they are able to charge phones and other wireless charging compatible electronic device wirelessly. Come to the next point. This is the material required for homemade power bank. These are the materials here: battery and battery cap, breadboard, mobile charging jack, voltage regulator IC 7805, and the last is few jumper wires. So there is a very important material, voltage regulator IC. Let's have some discussion about the voltage regulator IC, that is 7805, LM7805. Here LM is the company code, the manufacturing company's code, and the 78 is denotes the series of fixed linear voltage regulators IC. Means these types of IC should be voltage regulator IC. And what is 05? 05 maintains the output voltage at a constant value of what? Of 5 volt. So, and also regulated power supply with provisions to add a heat sink. If the voltage power supply is 9 volt, then its output is 5 volt, and 4 volt would add the heat sink. Further we discussed about the heat sink. Now how it look like? There is a heat sink, there is a hole in the heat sink from where, and there are 3 terminals: input 1, ground, output 3. Come to the next point. It's a role of heatsink. Heatsink should be attached to the voltage regulators in order to dissipate excess power that may enter into the regulator. As I discussed here, if we connect the 9 volt battery to the voltage regulator IC, 4 volt go to the heatsink. This heatsink dissipate that excess power, and what excess voltage from destroying this heatsink prevent the excess voltage from destroying the overheating the voltage regulators. since the heat sink dissipates the excess power of as heat. So here are some steps for making the homemade power bank. The battery and battery cap should be connected on what? On breadboard. Now voltage regulator IC, its positive terminal to the line number 1, negative to the line number 2. Here is the positive and negative is ground, should be connected to the line number 1 and 2 of the breadboard, and the output to the line number 3. Now mobile charging jack, the red one is the positive of mobile charging jack and black one is the negative. This red one is connected to the line number 3 and negative to the line number 2. Now jumper wire to jump the circuits, one terminal to the positive and another to the line number 1, and the another jumper wire to the line number negative supply line and another to the line number 2. Write all the steps by pausing the video. This is your circuit diagram. Draw it in your copy. Now exercises. What is power bank? Define the voltage regulator IC. These all are very important questions. The pin configurations of voltage regulator IC, steps also, and the role of the heat sink. Write all the points, all the questions in your copy along with the answer. It's very important. And finally, thank you. It's a very good time for studying. So keep studying. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you, students. Thank you very much.